Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the truth behind every beauty product so you can make confident choices for your routine. Today we're exploring the KIKO Milano Longeyes Plus Active Mascara, a mascara that promises longer lashes, lash growth support, and a creamy, smooth application. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This mascara comes in a sleek black shade, formulated to lengthen lashes by up to 56% after 28 days. It's enriched with antioxidants, which are known to support lash health over time, and boasts a creamy texture that aims for smooth, clump-free application. Plus, it's designed to be long-wearing, so it should last through your busy day without smudging. When I first tried this mascara, I noticed how easy it was to glide across my lashes. The brush is designed to coat each lash individually, giving a more elongated and separated look without that heavy, spidery effect some mascaras create. Over the weeks, I could tell that my lashes felt slightly stronger and more conditioned, likely due to the antioxidant-enriched formula. The creamy texture makes layering effortless, which is perfect if you want more dramatic length without sacrificing comfort. One of the highlights for me was its long wear performance. Even after a full day, my lashes stayed lifted and defined with very minimal smudging. However, if you're looking for intense volume, this mascara leans more toward lengthening and conditioning rather than a bold, volumized look. I do love that it's comfortable on the lashes and easy to remove without tugging, which is a huge plus for daily use. On the downside, some might find that the lengthening effect is gradual, so you'll need consistent use to see the maximum results advertised. In terms of value for money, KIKO Milano products usually fall in the mid-range category. Considering the lash conditioning benefits alongside the lengthening effect, it offers solid value if long-term lash health and subtle enhancement are your goals. Compared to other lengthening mascaras I've tried, this one stands out for its conditioning benefits, though it doesn't create as dramatic a volume as some high-end brands. The mascara's build quality is excellent. The packaging feels sturdy and hygienic, and the formula maintains its consistency over time without drying out quickly, which is a common issue with mascaras. If you're curious about alternatives, L'Oreal's Lash Paradise or Maybelline Lash Sensational offer similar lengthening effects at a comparable price, though they may differ in brush design and finish. All in all, KIKO Milano Longeyes Plus Active Mascara delivers on its promise of longer, healthier-looking lashes with a comfortable, smooth application. It's perfect for anyone seeking a natural, elegant lash enhancement with the bonus of lash care benefits. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase it is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.